Hey Mitchell artists, welcome back. Mr. Walek here. Just want to say hello and tell you a little bit about sketchbooks. You may know what a sketchbook is, you may not. Let me tell you, this here is my personal sketchbook and just happens to have a pencil, a couple elastics in here. And what I do, this is my teaching art journal. I do my thoughts, I write my thoughts and draw some pictures in it. This one's a little bit fancy with the spiral bound, and you might have a sketchbook at home or maybe 10 sketchbooks at home. For this school year, we're going to use sketchbooks for our Wednesday remote learning program. The school, everyone in the school is going to be at home on Wednesdays, and we're going to use a sketchbook, kind of like this here. With a couple staples in here. We're going to make it a little simpler than this. I wrote sketchbook on the front. You don't have to write sketchbook, but we'll take some time to decorate it also. So here on the board it says you will make your own sketchbook during your first art class. You'll write your name on the front cover, and like I said, you'll be using it on Wednesday's remote learning assignments, and use 1 page per assignment or every week, and focus on the lesson that'll be presented to you on that Wednesday. For a sketchbook, it's not that very difficult. Here we're going to take 5 pieces of nice drawing paper. You can do it cheaply or nicely. You can even buy your own. But in art class, we're going to take the 5 pieces of paper and we're going to fold them nicely. So we're going to line up the 2 edges like this, and we're going to press down on the sides. And then we're going to take this gigantic rubber band and we're going to place it on one side, hold it downward so that it matches up right in the fold of the sketchbook, and voila, book is contained. Alright, and then we'll decorate the front here. We thought we'd use staplers, but at this time rubber band is going to be nice. Alright, we'll see you soon. Take care.